Serrano from Bella Vista here. Today we'll be taking a walk through on a brand new floor plan by Serrano by Thor Motor Coach. This is a Serrano 34M and this is a 35-foot motor coach that is a bath and a half floor plan. The Serrano is a front diesel with a 6-speed Allison transmission boasting 13.2 US miles per gallon. Absolutely phenomenal. And for the province of Ontario, completely drivable under a standard class license. First thing we'll notice is this brand new color scheme, which is a full body paint with clear coat. The Serrano boasts side swing doors that are aluminum and fully insulated. We have rotocast storage compartments, and these two are just an example of the smaller compartments. We have compartments throughout the unit, so there's a lot of storage capability. Outside, we have a full entertainment center with Clarion speakers, AM, FM, CD player, and DVD, and high-definition LCD TV. This floor plan boasts the box awning, which is an elegant awning and is fully encased to keep the awning protected as you travel down the road. We've equipped this unit with side and back cameras, and the cameras are now full color cameras. Just an absolutely beautiful profile on the Serrano, boasting the European bus mirrors. And let's take a walk inside. Of course, this unit is a fully CSA unit, so it's built to Ontario standards. And as we walk inside, we'll see a great Infinus leather U-shaped dinette, which is very flexible to use as a lounger or sleeping area as well as a dining. Lots of overhead cabinets in the Serrano, and the Serrano has stayed with the completely European feel. Large galley area with flip-up countertop, Corian counters, European range, and as we can see, a full bank of drawers and lots of storage throughout. Inset halogens, residential convection microwave, large 2-door fridge, large LCD TV with 5.1 surround sound home theater. We've got a great L-shaped couch, which we'll get a better view from the other side here. And as I mentioned, this is a bath and a half unit. Let's take a look at the first bath. As we can see, lots of counter space, stainless steel sink, LED lights, overhead storage, and here we have additional storage in the bathroom for your linens. As we take a walk to the back, we have the main bedroom area, which is a large queen-size bed with overhead storage, cross ventilation windows, and a full bank of drawers and large wardrobe. LCD TV, and the Serrano boasts lots of windows for natural light. Let's take a look at the main bath area. Another stainless steel sink, lots of counter space. We hear from a lot of RVers, not enough counter space to put shavers, toothbrushes, etc. Large medicine cabinet, and again, lots of storage throughout this unit. What I love about the Serrano is this new shower. Nice and large shower, giving you lots of room to enjoy a hot shower on a cool day. Skylight to let lots of natural light. Just absolutely phenomenal. As we take a walk up front again, we'll see this great sofa. It's an L-shaped sofa that does fold down and become more compact for traveling. What's beautiful about it is it's very long. Hide-a-bed integrated, so you can get two very tall adults, and I'm talking over 6 feet tall, that can sleep very comfortably. inset halogens throughout. So this is the 34M Serrano by Thor Motor Coach. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.